Hey there, side hustlers. Got stuff you don't use? I've got the perfect plan to turn that junk into gold. First up, rent your belongings. Fatlama.com. I know, what a name. Lets you rent out pretty much anything. Cameras, projectors, even your lawnmower. Who knew? Next, sell those unused gift cards. Aunt Betsy's Pack Sun card collecting dust? Sell it on raise.com and make it rain. Got kids? Sell their outgrown clothes on Kidizen or other sites like Poshmark and eBay. Time to dig through your closets and garages. Sell unwanted stuff on eBay, Craigslist, or apps like OfferUp and Facebook Marketplace. Baby gear taking up space? Rent it out on babyquip.com. Their quality providers make about $1,000 a month. Got dusty DVDs or CDs? Declutter.com will buy them outright. Scan the barcodes, get cash. Easy. Have a car that just sits around? List it on Turo.com and make over $10,000 a year. No joke. Got an extra bedroom? Rent it on Airbnb. In Nashville, you could make over $2,000 a month. Airbnb's got you covered with insurance too. Finally, sell old phones and electronics on swappa.com or buy.gazelle.com. Turn those tech relics into treasure. Thanks for watching Real Talk Auntie. Like and subscribe for more money-making tips.